Hey, about the old YouTube world. Thanks for stopping by an episode of the old Vinyl Village Garage, your Firebird Restoration Station. I was going to come out here and tinker in the garage a little bit, but beginning to think probably not so much. It's only about 22 degrees warm here, or not warm in Indianapolis. It was like 55, 60 degrees last couple weeks, so Happy New Year to us. It finally got cold, so I guess you could say this is my Happy New Year special episode, bringing in the new year, kind of go over a quick recap of last year, what we did, what we plan to do hopefully this year, and where we'd like to be. Of course, appreciate you following me on the journey so far. It's the first time stopping by. My name is John, and what I like to do is play with Firebirds. And I used to think anything automotive, a two-car garage, was the original theme for this channel. It kind of turned into work on Firebirds. I've had this one here since high school. It's my high school car episode. Have a couple already done up on there. Hoping to get this car together this year to the point where I can at least drive it, have some fun with it. It won't probably be done because, let's be realistic, it needs a lot of work. The other thing you might see here is 1968 Firebird. If you're really sharp, you might recognize it as the Great Pumpkin. That was from our October special episode there of searching for the Great Pumpkin because, well, the car's orange, the engine's orange, and it was October 31st on old Halloween. But nonetheless, this car, why is it here, you say? Why am I have it back on the channel? Long story short, the owner I went to look at it was selling it, decided he really didn't want to sell it. I originally showed up to kind of do a vehicle inspection for a friend of mine and got talking Firebirds. He's had this thing since 1976, so clearly loves the car. Didn't really want to get rid of it, but the problem he was having was shops were quoting him nearly $100,000 to restore it. Now, this is a 1968 350 two-barrel car. Let's be honest, the market says it's not worth it. To him, it's priceless, but being realistic, you can't put $100,000 into that car. So what I'd like to do on this channel this year, what we're going to do is tear that thing apart, do a nut and bolt restoration, top to bottom, inside out. Me and my little girl is going to jump in here, have some fun, make it happen, record how much time, how much money, and what all it takes to make it happen in a two-car garage. So if you'd like to see that happen, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you following us on that whole journey. And of course, any questions on the way, anything you'd like to see, let me know just the same. So those two things are going to try to knock out this year. The other thing is I got some requests for 1969 Firebird front bumper, bezels, headlight, trim pieces, all that stuff, how to install and get that all adjusted. I've heard you, had quite a few people ask. I do plan on doing a video on that here sometime soon. This car here is not quite to that point yet, but I'm hoping to get a little further along and make that happen. Yeah, the big things happening this year, the World of Wheels that comes up in here in March here in Indianapolis. I plan on taking the Trans Colorado, so if you guys are going, hope to see you there. Other things, Firebird Fest in May. Sounds like a really cool, awesome show. I haven't done that. I missed out on that last year. It was the first inaugural year. Firebird Fest in St. Louis. Pretty cool opportunity, not just sit around and show your car, but go drive it, do some laps around the racetrack, do some road testing on it. So I'm looking forward to that one. Going to be taking the Trans Colorado to that one. And then last but not least, the Trans Am Nationals in August. Those are the three probably big shows I'll probably do this year, and amongst some other shows around the Indianapolis area here. So if you guys are out and about, you see me, want to say, hey, well, it'd be cool to say hi and want to check out the car, talk Firebird, I'm all ears. But until then, I'll keep tinkering with these bad boys here. And of course, one more thing here this year, 2022, is going to bring us probably to the 1,000 subscriber mark. And that's going to be a pretty cool threshold for me because, well, cameras. Anyway, I feel like I got over that. Doing pretty good with it now. Surviving that, but we're just shy of the 1,000 mark. I'm hoping to hit that by April 15th. That's the 1-year anniversary of Vinyl Village Garage. And I'm hoping to do some kind of giveaway. Part of the reason for this little video here, I want your thoughts on that. Think about doing a $400 cash giveaway. Now, $400, number 400, you Pontiac guys probably know why I picked that number. Now, I've been learning some of the ins and outs, ups and downs from YouTube, what you can and can't do when it goes to giveaways. There's some silly loopholes you got to jump through, some disclaimers, no purchase required, etc., etc. But have you guys ever done a giveaway on your channel or anything? Help, the suggestions, let me know. Or if you'd like to win $400, let me go ahead and do that. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think of that too. So working on those things. And of course, just the same, if you'd like to see something, let me know, ask me in the questions. In the video description is our email address. If you'd like to reach out to us that way, just the same, I'll answer all emails pretty quick and do a pretty good job of that, having some fun. But anyway, I decided at 22 degrees just isn't warm enough to get a whole lot done, but I want to do my first year video. Hope you guys had a safe and happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, and hopefully Santa Claus is really good to you, bring a bunch of Pontiac parts, because, you know, he's pretty good to me. I've got a lot of goodies here that I'm waiting for to get that back together. So, and now I got to get used to the cold again too, just the same. But anyway, I've rambled on enough. Appreciate you following me on the journey, and hope to have plenty more videos coming your way. And of course, any questions, let me know just the same, and we'll see you next time.